In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix PayPal friends and family option not showing. If you're trying to send money to someone you know and the friends and family option isn't appearing, don't worry. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll understand why it's missing and exactly how to get it back. First, let's clear up what's going on behind the scenes. The friends and family option is designed for personal, non-commercial payments between people you trust. PayPal only enables this on personal accounts. If your account is set up as a business or professional account, that option typically won't appear because those accounts are intended for merchants and stores. They're built around selling, invoicing, and protections for goods and services. So the sending experience is different. Next, let's confirm what type of account you're using from the sending flow. Log into PayPal, then click Send. Enter the recipient's email address and the amount you want to send, and click Next. On the next screen, you normally see two choices: goods and services and friends and family. If you don't see friends and family anywhere on that screen, that's a strong sign your account is currently set up as a business account. A quick note here: availability can vary by country or currency, but in most cases, missing friends and family means you're not on a personal account. Now let's fix it. The first route is to downgrade your account. Scroll to the bottom of any PayPal page and click Contact, then choose Message. In the chat assistant, type, "I want to downgrade my account to a personal account to access friends and family." The assistant or a PayPal representative will guide you through the process. Be prepared that they may confirm some details to verify your identity. Keep in mind, downgrading removes certain business features like merchant tools and some selling protections. So make sure that trade-off fits your needs. If you'd rather not change your existing setup, your second option is to create a new personal PayPal account specifically for friends and family transactions. This is often the simplest approach if you still need your business features intact. Keeping a personal account for everyday transfers and a business account for sales helps avoid conflicts and keeps things organized. That's all you need. Once you're on a personal account, the friends and family option should appear during the send flow. Use it only with people you trust, and choose goods and services when you're paying for items or services. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get the right option back on your account.